What is up, YouTube? Today I'm just going to go over, I found in my email, so check your emails. eToro is going to give me $50 worth of stocks if I take a 5-minute survey. So check your emails to see if you get this. So they just said there, and we noticed that you have not opened your forced position. If anyone's watching my channel, I opened up a new account called Enda Trading, and they said I already had deposited money into this account already, but they said they noticed you didn't open up your forced position and they want to have my opinion. Okay, your satisfaction as a member of eToro community is very important to us. So always check your emails, guys. And it's the same. And they sent out a T-shirt and stuff. But I check my emails. If you don't check your emails from eToro, you will miss this stuff. But in appreciation of your time, we're going to give you $50 in stocks. Okay, and you have to take the survey within 1 week of receipt of the email. And also to say you'll be able to choose one of the top traded stocks as compensation, which will appear in your eToro portfolio within 14 days. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. And I just click on the survey and we'll take this survey together. Okay, starting off to say, why haven't you started trading yet? Okay, so when I deposited money, I was waiting for the right time to buy. So I'll go here, waiting for the right opportunity. Got it. What were you looking to invest or trade in? So I'm going to invest in stocks, and that's it on this account. How long do you plan to invest with eToro? More than 3 years, the long-term portfolio. What are your investment return goals? I'm looking for over 10%. If that's high risk, okay, that's fine. So it's saying, what prompted you to open an account with us? The reason why I trade with eToro is regulated, it's user friendly, and I like the community social trading of the whole thing. How easy did you find the process of funding your account? So I funded with PayPal. It was very easy. How satisfied are you with the platform? If everyone knows, I'm a big fan of eToro, so I'm going to give them a 10. How satisfied are you with eToro pricing relative to other brokers? Well, for stocks, it's fine. With crypto, it's quite a high spread fee sometimes, so I give it a 7 there. Have you heard about zero commission stock in trading? I did. How likely are you to recommend eToro to a friend or colleague? I would go 10 as I'm a partner with eToro also. Are you planning to invest with another broker? Yes, I do day trading with Colmex Pro. Guys, I'll leave a link in the description if you just want to sign up there. So they're asking me, who might you move to and why? So I'm going to say Colmex Pro just for my day trading. I will stay with eToro for everything else. Okay, next. Okay, so they're asking me from which of the following stock markets do you want to select the free stocks? I'm going to say the US market. Whoa, that was easy, guys. So they're just saying, thank you for completing the survey. You will receive $50 to invest in one of the following stocks. Which one would you like? I'm going to click Microsoft. It's a strong buy at the moment. It's great gradual growth over the last 3 years. And I'll just click on this, see what happens. Okay, thank you for choosing Microsoft and click submit. Okay, so that's it, guys. They said it's going to be up to 14 days. They're going to send me the stock. So that was easy. It wasn't even 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to be making new videos very soon. So smash that like and subscribe button. I'll see you the next time. Peace and love. Bye.